Sorry?
Not much water here.
This time, but in the summer it's going to higher. Now the running season is too low yet right now. So, but in the monsoon time it's going to be much higher.
नमस्कार, ताशी द लेक। हम लासा एयरपोर्ट से निकले हैं। आज लासा में ही रुकेंगे। चारों तरफ आप ये माउंटेन प्लेटोज के रेंज आप देख सकते हैं और एक बस में हमारी मीडिया डेलीगेशन को लेकर आगे जाया जा रहा है। वी हैव हियर पुंचोक जो कि ट्रैवल गाइड हैं। बॉर्न हियर 20 साल से एज अ ट्रैवल गाइड का रोल निभा रहे हैं। पुंचोक, मेनी
Hi.
थैंक्स।
Hi. Hello.
नमस्ते।
Namaste, Tashi Delek.
Tashi the Lake.
Yeah.
How are you doing?
I'm good, doing very good, thank you.
You have been doing, being a travel guide here for 20 years, and you've born here.
Yes.
How has Lhasa changed over the years since the time that you were a boy and to what you see today?
And during my lifetime, it's changed a lot. Everything is changing. Even the road, even the house, building, everything is changing now. Now they just develop a lot, actually. So all over Lhasa. Okay.
What kind of roads? We just crossed a tunnel which is 2 kilometers long. It took a couple of minutes. You said it was a new tunnel. What kind of infrastructure development has happened here?
So at the beginning in my life, at the beginning when we drive all the way to airport, actually it used to take a very long time to get there. So after that, like Tibet government side, they decide that they want to build a bridge and tunnel, which is going to save like 37 kilometers. So it means today it's around like it take 1 hour to get to Lhasa from the airport. So during my lifetime, changing this kind of all of these things, even this road, highway road was actually they completed in 2010 or something like that. Yeah.
What kind of tourists keep coming here, because you deal with tourists? Where are the countries from where you see maximum tourists coming here?
I can say most of Americans and Europeans, they just travel to Tibet and they want to see all the changing and all the Tibetan history, monasteries. They want to see everything, and especially most people they like to go to see the Mount Everest. It's the base camp, and also depends on the chance. Sometimes they might see, sometimes because of weather they won't see the Everest over there. But still people they like to go there.
आपको कुछ हिंदी में आती है? Because you have also dealt with Indian tourists and pilgrims.
A little bit, thora, not many. Yeah, so
What Hindi words do you know?
चलो खाना खा लो और पेशाब करो.
Very important phrases for survival here.
Main word I speak. So this is very important for me to know those words. Sometimes we used to handle with a big group, Indian big group to Kailash. We need to stop for them to,
When nature's calling, but यहाँ पर obviously when we got up on the bus, और जैसा इसके पहले dispatch में मैंने कहा था कि आप जब this is what 12,000 feet that we are
more or less 12,000 feet, yeah.
So it's
3,650
meters.
Yeah.
ऊंचाई पर होते हैं तो हम जब दिल्ली के शहरों में तो खैर आपकी लंग्स की कैपेसिटी ऐसे ही खराब हो जाती है प्रदूषण की वजह से दिन भर, और यहाँ आते हैं हवा साफ हो लेकिन ऑक्सीजन लेवल्स घट जाते हैं. आप अगर उसे देखेंगे तो आप यू लिटरली एट व्हाट डू यू थिंक आवर ऑक्सीजन लेवल्स वुड बी राइट नाउ?
So around Lhasa, because of the monsoon they're starting, so it's around like 80 something, more or less like 80 something, 70, 80.
What level is safe? After what level we should be worried?
After 70 is saved.
So अगर 70 से नीचे गिरे ऑक्सीजन लेवल तो थोड़ी चिंता की बात है. But he asked us to drink a lot of water. What are some of the tips that you want to share with travelers who come to these regions and also pilgrims?
Usually I always give a command to drink a lot of water, and also if they're really necessary, so they need the oxygen. So we carry oxygen with us, so let them having oxygen. And also the first day, I always recommend them to don't get shower. Don't get a shower in Lhasa. because in the shower you need to do a lot of movement on your body, which is going to be getting short of air in your body. Sometimes you might going to fell down in a bathroom or something, so it's a good dangerous for them. So I always, advise them to don't take first shower at the first night. So from the first night is okay. From next time, you can take a shower, no
पहली
problem.
रात जो है पहुंचने के बाद में नहाना नहीं है, उससे शावर को अवॉइड करना है, बहुत ज्यादा मूवमेंट अवॉइड करना है, एक तरीके से शवासन करके आप लीजिए। देखिए जब आप लोग लद्दाख जाते हैं, ले जाते हैं, तो वहां पर भी लोगों को कहा जाता है कि एक्लिमेटाइज करें, और जब हम यहाँ आ रहे हैं तो यहाँ तो और भी कहीं ज्यादा जो है ऊंचाई है। इन तस्वीरों को देखिए आप, जो हम बस से दिखा रहे हैं आपको लगातार, इन बहुत ही खूबसूरत नज़ारों को आप तक पहुंचा रहे हैं। जस्ट अ फाइनल क्वेश्चन पोंचो, you said the infrastructure has changed so much. Kailash Mansarovar Yatra, have you also dealt with the pilgrims who come here for the sacred pilgrimage? How has Kailash Yatra played a role, and in the tourism here, how do you look at the Yatra?
So yatra to there. So before the 2019, I've been there with my Indian groups. So also we do the same thing as the usually Indian group they does that. So they go to Mount Kailash trip, and also to the Mansarovar pilgrimage. So altogether, now these days I'm not very sure, because I haven't been there for 5 years, something like that. So this year I have no very idea, because now this told me that they might change something over there, but still I don't know.
It's a sacred place for Hindus, Buddhists, Jains, and Bons. So your rituals are also the same. Do you also take a round of the mountain?
Oh yes, of course. When we get there, of course. So this is one of the main focus for the local Tibetan people, who they go there, do the pilgrimage. Also they do make a Kora, pilgrim, like a parikrama for the Tibetan people. And the Bon people, our ancient religion people, today still exist. Some, like a very few number who do the practice of that Bon religion. They do the anti-clockwise.
Oh, okay.
So once you get there, so you can see some Bon people, they do the anti-clockwise at the Mount Kailash. So Buddhist, Bon, Buddhist and Jain and Hindu, we do the same clockwise. Yeah.
Buddhist और जैन और बॉन्स, जो ओरिजिनल टिबेटन्स के रिलीजन्स हुआ करते थे बुद्धिज्म के आने के पहले, वो लोग क्लॉकवाइज परिक्रमा लेते हैं कैलाश पर्वत की, और बॉन्स जो है वो एंटी क्लॉकवाइज लेते हैं। मेनी थैंक्स पुंचू फॉर बीइंग आवर गाइड एंड फॉर टॉकिंग टू मी।
You're welcome. You're welcome.
ये देखिए कुछ और तस्वीरों के साथ जो है आपको मैं छोड़ जा रही हूँ इस रिपोर्ट में, और कैलाश मानसरोवर के परिक्रमा का इंतजार रहेगा। और जैसा पुंचू ने कहा कि वो भी जो है खुद टूरिस्ट पिलग्रिम्स को लेकर, तीर्थयात्रियों को लेकर वहां का दौरा यात्रा कर चुके हैं 2019 के पहले। आइए अब इन नज़ारों का लुत्फ उठाते हैं हम इस रिपोर्ट में। बने रहिए मेरे साथ, मेरे YouTube स्टेशन स्मिता शर्मा जर्नलिस्ट में।